So Nvidia just released a new tool called Add-It, and again, this is a tool, not an AI model. But basically, this tool or technology could be attached to AI models, and it allows those models to gain a new ability to edit a picture with a prompt. And all of that could be added without requiring additional training. So for developers, this is no-brainer. That means they can train or fine-tune models like Flux One Dev or Stable Diffusion, and they can have a feature to edit the picture with a prompt, and there is no retraining required. It will save time and money. And of course, this is an open source project, so the GitHub repo is available in the video description. You can check the link in case you want to do a project that will be including this new technology. And at the same time, of course, Nvidia just release the demo, so in case you want to use this tool to edit any picture with a prompt, then you can do it for free. And let me show you how you can use this new model to edit a picture with such accuracy, because it is actually able to isolate only the thing that you want to add into the scene. And if you look at those examples, the result looks quite fantastic. Again, if you want to check the paper or see some examples, you can check the link in the video description. Anyway, if you want to use the Add-It tool to edit a picture, you can navigate to this Hugging Face space page. This is the official demo for Add-It, and I'll guide you how you can use this tool to edit picture. Now, there are two modes. There is generated images, which is basically just creating an image and then edit the image, or you can also just upload a picture from your computer and then use AI to modify the picture. And I'll cover both modes in this video. But let's talk about generated images. I'm going to remove this example prompts. I'm going to remove that. And there you go. So here, I want to create a picture of a dog sitting on a grass. And then here, I want to modify that picture, even though the picture hasn't been created, but just let's just imagine that the picture is here and you want to modify the picture. And this time around, I want to add some clothes to the dog. So I want the dog to be, the dog is wearing a knitted, let's say Superman outfit or something, Superman outfit or suit. So basically the dog is sitting on the grass and then the dog is wearing the Superman outfit. Now there is this unique way of editing. So there is something called subject token, which represent the object that you want to add into the scene. So in this case, I want to add the Superman outfit, and then it's actually 3 words, knitted Superman outfit. So how do you actually put that? Because this subject token can only accept 1 token or 1 word. Well, don't worry, you can actually just write outfit, because AI will understand or will look at the context and it will add this whole element into the scene. So even though you just specifying that you want to add an outfit, but it will look at the context and it will understand your request in this case. Now there's also advanced settings, but this is usually not really necessary unless if you want to if the results are not quite satisfying, then you can actually modify some numbers here, and the guide is available right here at the bottom, tips for better results. You can check it out. But let's just generate the picture and hopefully it looks quite great. And if it's so, then I don't have to change anything on the advanced settings. Anyway, this process will take about 1 minute or so, and I'll just show you the result in a second. Okay, there you go. It looks quite fantastic. If you want to download the pictures, you can click the download button right here, and those images will be downloaded to your device. And since the result looks perfect, I don't think I have to change anything or recreate the images. But if the results are not quite satisfying, you can check the advanced settings and you might want to change a few settings according to this guide. Anyway, let's move on to real images. In this case, I want to edit an existing picture. I'm going to click here. And then I'm going to select this picture of a man with his bicycle. So maybe there is a bit of problem with this UI. It says that the source prompt, even though we don't want to create an image, we just want to edit the image, but you can fill this area, this field, with the description of the image, which is just a man sitting next to his bicycle. And then here I want this person to wear, let's say, a safety vest. Yeah, safety vest. So the target prompt is going to be the man is wearing a safety vest. And of course, it's safety face, but we can just write fast for the subject token, just one word. And then let's click edit image, and hopefully we can get something that looks good for this one. Okay, so this is the result. Honestly, the lighting, shadow, reflection, stuff like that looks pretty realistic, and as you can see, it doesn't change anything else. Even the hair of the person is still the same, except of course the face is kinda floating a bit. So if you're not quite satisfied with the result, you can always go back to the advanced settings and adjust some numbers, some settings according to this guide right here. So at least that's basically how you can use the edit feature to add something into the scene with the power of AI. So again, all the links is available in the video description, so you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.